Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Shy. Today I decided to film a little clean with me video. First you see me putting away all my clean dishes that were already in the drain. Next, I moved on to washing all of the dishes that are dirty currently. I do not have a dishwasher because in order to get a dishwasher, I would have to give up some cabinet space. And as you can see, my kitchen is very tiny, so giving up cabinet space is not really ideal. Maybe one day in the future, I'll figure out how to organize my cabinets a little better to maybe fit a dishwasher in one day, but I just haven't figured it out yet. Sorry if my voice seems very low on the videos. I don't know why it's coming up so low. I turned the volume up, everything. I'm still learning about how to do all of this. So if you have any tips on how to get my voice louder and clearer in my videos, that would be greatly appreciated. We had just bought this house last year. I'm still waiting on my husband to put my new kitchen sink faucet in. We're just doing little projects as we go on. This house is from, I think, the 1970s, so some things are like outdated in it. It was so hard trying to find a home last year that was not so overpriced. We were just about to give up on our search for a home, and then our realtor was like, bam, you want a bid? And we were like, what? At that point, I had done forgot what the house even looked like inside. I didn't remember anything about it, so it was kind of we won something that we totally forgot about. I was ready to be done with the whole process because earlier in the year we had sold a home, and that was just took forever and so many hang-ups because of like tax offices being closed because of COVID. With the tax offices being closed and cleaning up after tenants, plus getting the house ready to sell and do those repairs, it was a hectic year last year. So it's nice to finally be settled in our own home where we don't have tenants living below us anymore, because I like having like my privacy now and not feeling like I have to keep on the professional hat per se. I was the type of landlord that like I didn't want to be all up in your business and I didn't want you all up in my business. No, I want to keep those two lives separate. I think my husband and I owned that rental property for like 4 or 5 years, and it was a great learning experience, and we had great tenants. Everybody got along great. I just wanted to move and be closer to my family though, because my mental health had went downhill because I had lived in a new city where I didn't know anybody, so I wasn't really going outside and like socializing much, so I just like became like a hermit in the house. So with this new house, I'm way closer to all of my friends and family, so like I could be more independent and not let my like mental health get in the way of me going out and just like actually living. So now we are pretty much like settled in this home. So now I'm just trying to get my routines of cleaning this home and doing meal prepping more and stuff like that down. Next, I'm gonna move on to cleaning out the fridge. As you can see, it looks like everything just was being thrown in the fridge. And my husband had moved around shelves in there to fit like this big old tea container in there. First, I'm gonna start by taking all of these little drawer things off of the door so I can clean those really good. Next, I'll start working on the shelves. And that pan you seen me pull out, that was brownies I had made the other day that we never put in a Tupperware. So you'll see me do that later on. I'll wrap them in foil.
There's one thing I'm not.
I ended up splashing water all over the place trying to rinse these things off.
blessing this life. I know this ain't what you asked for, but you know damn well it feel right. Hey, ooh, how you feeling? I hope everybody feel alright now. Push it strong than what you said last night. You was on cloud nine, you was by my side. That's word to your mother. Bust it down for a brother. Get loose and snap back like rubber. You can travel the galaxy, never find another lover like me. Ooh yeah, like me. Like me. Ooh yeah, like me. Say that then, unless you wanna move along. Come on back, tell me I ain't wrong. Got 4-5 minutes till you end up alone in this world. Yeah, let me spit it like this one time. Got too many bars in a row when I rhyme. Why I gotta act stupid, I don't know, but it's fine. I'ma slide to the left, I'ma shimmy inside. I'ma hit the little Uzi, show the road one time. She be looking at me like she wanna be mine. I ain't worried about that, but I like your vibe. Let me show you what you're missing, that's right.
Here, I had noticed that my husband's tea pitcher that he had in the fridge this week must have had a leak and spilled tea all at the bottom of the fridge, and it had hardened and got really sticky like candy. Please don't mind my slipper socks. I know that they are forming holes. They're just one of them items that are so comfy and it's like you don't want to get rid of them. But I promise you, after this video, I threw those away.
If you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar,
And here's the final look of the fridge. I did not do the freezer on this day. I'll probably do that another day. Now I'm just putting away all of the dishes that we had washed earlier.
I could keep this bed warm enough for two.
Next, I'll switch over to laundry before I start dinner for the night. I ended up just making something easy and simple that night for dinner. I had seen this recipe on Facebook, so I thought I'd give it a try, and it turned out really good. Thanks for watching my video. Hopefully it was a little interesting and you come back to see more.
Make sure you good, make sure you straight. That's all you want.